Hello. Hey Rami, please unmute yourself. You are showing muted. Just first unmute yourself and then start it again.
Can you hear me? Is it okay right now? I'm sorry, like I didn't check that one, like whether it is muted or not. I'm really sorry for that. Yeah, like coming to that session objectives. So in this session, we are going for introduction to big data. What are the challenges to big data and introduction to Hadoop, Hadoop characteristics and HDFS, data loading techniques. Actually, this is the today webinar agenda. So, okay, fine. We'll go to that one, introduction to big data, but I want to know that one, the KLS of the particular attendees as well as what the target audience, okay? You know that one, what is the KLS? Okay, fine. So, is it okay? So, Mr. like Ganesh, is it okay? Right. Chalo. See, the point is very simple here. We are going for introduction about Hadoop. But before that, I want to know KLS of the attendees. What is the KLS knowledge level of the student? So knowledge level of the student means what? Like to the Hadoop, so many people are attracting, okay? So towards Hadoop, so many people are attracting nowadays. Even Java people also. Mostly Java people are attracting because that is the future technology. So and moreover, like I didn't show my like pictures, like everything because I'm the panel member recruited by Government of India. So on big data analytics, that photos are there in my Facebook itself. You can able to check out. I'm ready. So anyhow, all right, come on. See, going for big data is not a big deal. We can able to understand big data because learning of big data is very simple. Actually, like what commands as well as what the queries, the scenarios, use cases, if you concentrate on them, it's very easy to understand. But let me check out you people, right? See, I have to go for like this, okay? Just check it out. Just a moment here. Yeah, come on, see. I have to use this one, right? Mm, yeah, chalo. This is okay, right? Not a problem. Just leave it. And we'll go for what? See, everybody is passionate about big data nowadays, right? Big data. So, okay, big data is very simple. But before big data, what should I have? What is the prerequisite? Any fresher or otherwise any person who is having a gap like what 3 to 4 years gap or otherwise 3 to 4 years Java experience, anybody has that programming knowledge, that's a different aspect. So I'm not talking about programming knowledge. I'm talking about the database side itself. Like first of all, everybody should have the what? FMS, nothing but what? Little bit of idea, nothing but like I'm not talking about that one. Just idea purpose, I'm just talking about. FMS, nothing but what? A file management system, right? Yeah, I'm speaking very loudly here. Okay. Yeah, I'm just speaking very loudly. Don't worry about it. Like, if at all any problem, please let me know that one. I'm trying to speak very loudly. Okay? Clear here? Please respond in the chat box if it is okay. Sure. I'll share the Facebook ID. Don't worry about it. Okay, I'll share that. It's not my fault here. Actually, it is the fault of like my network. I think so, that one, because I'm just very loudly. I'll try to change this one. Just wait a moment. Yeah, right now, can you able to hear my voice very clearly? Please respond. Is it okay in the chat box? No? What happened? Oh, previous one is good? Okay, fine, not a problem. Like, just leave it here. Like, if the voice is clear, then the class is very simple and just going together. Chalo, give me permission. Like, shall I continue the class?
Hello?
I mean, hello?
Yeah, the voice quality is very bad. I can hardly hear the voice.
Just a moment. Yeah, can you hear me right now? At least? Yeah, is it okay, everybody? Chalo. I'm talking directly, like using my laptop directly and just talking to you. Don't worry about it, just leave it. See, you people are ready to learn the big data, right? So before going big data, first of all, you have to know a little bit on the database concepts. Okay, so the first of all, the thing is what FMS. Okay, just recap, nothing is there. I'm not talking about anything else. Just okay, a few seconds I'm taking, what is that, recapping. FMS, what is that one, what? File Management System. Next one is what? Of course, the file management system having its own advantages as well as what? Disadvantages. To overcome that one, the next one is what? DBMS. That is what? Database Management System was introduced. I'm not talking right now, 2000 or 2010, I'm not talking. I'm talking about the situation that was in the 1985 to 1990, I'm talking about. So later DBMS, what is that one? ODBMS, nothing but what? Object Orientation Concept was introduced. Of course, this ODBMS also be called as, what is that one, what? ODBMS. Okay, that is what you have to understand, that one, as simple as that. Both are same, that is object oriented database, or otherwise what? ODBMS, everything is same. DBMS, ODBMS. If anybody don't know, when we conducting the regular classes or some other one, we can able to discuss all the topics at all. Like, I don't know that one, that people are having the knowledge or not. That's what in the beginning itself I just told that, like KLS, knowledge level of the student. The people who are having the knowledge, or whether you are working professionals or some other one, I don't know. That's the reason I'm just going in average style. So object orientation introduced in the DBMS. After this, the next step is what? Rdbms was introduced. Right? And here itself, one more is there, what? ORDBMS, or you can say that one OORDBMS, like what? All these are introduced. Right, that's good, okay. You put this big data aside, not a problem, okay. See, you just concentrate on that one. What is the problem of ORDBMS or RDBMS?
Why still, I mean to say, RDBMS is satisfying all your requirements. Once again, why the big data or Hadoop is coming to existence? What is the point here? Just think of that one. Everybody going to learn Hadoop, 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 or big data, big data. But before that, why should I learn big data? What is the reason behind that one? Why should I go for that? Why don't you people thinking of that? Okay, the issue is, one more thing is what? This is okay. And next one is what? You have to understand what is that OLTP. And what is that one? Okay, OLTP. And next one is what is that what? OLAP. That is what? Online transaction processing versus online analytical processing. Okay, next one. Here is what? One more is there what? That is what? Row-wise manipulations as well as, what is that? Okay, row-wise manipulations as well as what? Column-wise manipulations. Please try to understand. Because RDBMS example software is Oracle. Oracle is following row-wise, whereas our Hadoop is following what? Column-wise. And moreover, in the Hadoop tools like ecosystem, there was one more is like data warehousing is there. That is called as what? In, what is that? Memory. Okay. In memory. Okay. Databases. In memory DBs. That is what data warehousing. Okay. Fine. So not only this one. Once again, what? Distributed. Right? Distributed file system. Okay. This is also very, very important. Distributed file system like this. Got it? When you have minimum knowledge on these, happily you can able to learn big data. Because all these are compulsory using terminologies in the big data itself. Otherwise, what happens? The curry is prepared without salt. As simple as that. The recipe is prepared without salt. Okay, so that's what my point is. If all these you are having little bit knowledge, it's quite better. I'm not saying that it is compulsory. While the classes are going on, you can able to learn that. But if you have, it's quite better. Okay, fine. So let's come on here. What? See, here itself I just talking about this one. What? RDBMS. Why the RDBMS unable to satisfy all the requirements? What is the reason behind that one? So the point was, actually in the 1995, right? Please, I recommend you people listen carefully. In the 1995 year, the Java was introduced to the market. Okay, in the 1995, Java was introduced to the market. Because of Java platform independency, I repeat the point once again, because of Java platform independency, internet got popular. Seriously observe that one. Internet got popular. Okay. Maybe being a student or being a attendee, you may be asking that one, if internet got popularity, what is the reason behind that or what is the story behind that? Yes, I tell you this one, boss. This RDBMS is in the 1985, 1990, this RDBMS is best example for, you know this one? Please observe that. What? A client. What is that? Server. Yes, it's the best example for what? A client server architecture. Client and server. Nothing but what? Local area network. Nothing but what? LAN. The best example for LAN itself. So my point is very simple. Just I try to give you the clarification here itself. Just observe that one. I'm giving you, that is what? A paint. A simple clarifications here. Nothing is there. Simple clarifications. I just wanted to give you clarification. Just watch. See, here is what? One client system. Just observe that one, everybody. This is one client system and this is what? Another client system. Okay. And like that, it is another client system. Okay. So first client, second client, and third client. And now we say local area network like this. Okay. All these systems are connected to this, right? The first one is client and this is what? Server like this. This is what? A client like this. Okay? Please observe. It is one of its local network, right? See, I want to go for what? One more one like this. Okay, just try to understand. Yes, yes, okay. So all of you people can able to hear me, please? Yeah, chalo. Right. Thank you. Just going. Right. See, this is local area network. It's one office. Just imagine that my neighbor office. Just think of that in 1985. So one more one I just draw here. This is another office, not my office. Maybe my neighbor office. In my neighbor office also what? One more client system and one more client system. Okay. And here is what is that one? What? A server like this. Okay. Now here is what happened. Here is Rdbms is available. Okay. Please, talking about the year, remember, please don't forget that one, Rdbms. And here also I am going for what is that one? Rdbms like that. Okay. So being a client, it is connecting together like this. Okay. So what happened? My office work and my neighbor office work both are working happily. No problem at all. Because Rdbms is developed for what is that one? A steady data growth, not rapid data growth. I remind you people once again, Rdbms is developed for what? Client server architecture, but steady data growing. I mean to say that more hospital management, like what? Okay, so this is what? One system like what? Here itself, okay. One system and one system, like two system and three system. All these data entering, and this is what? Stored in the format of what? Tables, right? It is stored in the format of tables itself, okay. I'm not going in details. In the class time, we will go for that one. Chances that we'll go for the class time. Right. It's a steady, rapid growing, steady growing of the data. But because of what happened, because of 1995, please remember, because why I'm talking about every time 1995, since the reason is that Java was introduced to the world. Java introduced to the world that moment. So what happened? This is one private network, please. That is what? Nothing but what? It is a LAN, and as well as what? This is also private network, that is what? LAN itself. As simple as that. That is separate office LAN and this is separate office LAN. I remind you please, all of you people, the first box is, please observe here what, okay? I'm just showing you here itself what, okay? This is the first box. This first box is one LAN's environment, and this is what, okay, second box. This second box also one kind of environment. Please try to understand, okay? This is another kind of environment, as simple as that. Okay, so what happened here? Because of internet, that is becoming as what? Public network, not private network. Because of what is that one? Public network, right? Since the public network came to the market, or otherwise what? The server is available, the public server is available. What happened? All the store the data here also. Please observe that one, okay? All the people like this one, this client system, and then what, okay? All the people trying to store the data here itself, like this. Okay, here itself data is stored, right? See, I request you please respond if this is understanding or not, the session is. If not understanding, I try to repeat the point. Please respond in the chat box. I request you people. Who are the attendees are there, please respond if it is possible. Yes, yes, fine. Thank you. Right. So we'll go for what like this, right? See, what happened because of the public network, all the people trying to store the data in the public server, nothing but what? In the internet. What happened? What happened here? Automatically data rapidly growing. Please understand that one. Automatically data rapidly growing because of this internet concept. Because of Java introduction, the internet got popularity. Because of internet, Java got popularity. So that what happened? All people trying to store the data, just like what Google, just like that Facebook, just like that YouTube. All the people trying to store the data. What happened? This is the big deal. This is the big deal here. Try to understand that, okay? This is the big deal. Please try to understand what? Data is rapidly growing. Every second, data is growing rapidly. Not only you, so many people across the world, all people trying to interact with what? The internet servers. So ultimately, what is the result? The data is growing. Data growing, it's okay, fine. Data growing. But the point is what? Whenever this fellow, please observe the screen, whenever this fellow, I'm talking about, okay, whenever this fellow wanted to retrieve the data, just like Google, okay, I want to search a particular, whenever this blue color fellow, the first client, whenever this fellow wants to search a particular item in the server, then what happens? I need to process that as early as possible, as soon as possible. So your RDBM is unable to process that. Please observe. Okay, I tell you, RDBMS limitations. I'm not giving the RDBMS limitations, just idea purpose I'm talking about. Okay, this RDBMS also unable to process. Yes, because this is not suitable for what is that one, like rapid growing of amount of data. And that too on the public servers, what happens? Maybe textual data coming, I mean to say structured data coming, unstructured data coming, maybe semi-structured data also coming. I don't know what type of data is coming, because what? Images coming, sensor data coming, logging information coming, what not, everything is coming. But whereas this RDBMS is purely meant for what? Okay, please try to understand. This RDBMS purely meant for structured data. Okay, please try to understand. This is only for structured data. But because of internet, what happened? Unstructured data, semi-structured data, all these are what? Entered to the what? Internet servers. Then I need to manipulate that. I need to manipulate that. I need in the sense what? Okay, the people, I mean the internet people wants to manipulate that. So what happened? The Yahoo people, the Google people, as well as what, the Facebook people, like that, all the people like started the algorithms how to process very easily this data. Okay, how to process this data very easily. And now being a student, you may be asking question, what is the RDBMS, and one more point here, actually speaking that one. Last time I didn't mention that one, please. Not only this one here, okay, fine here. Not only this one, I'm sorry, I didn't remember that, okay. What is that what? What is that? Scale up, okay. Right, scale up, what is it what? What's this? Yes, I have to go for what? A scale out. Okay, what is the scale up and scale out? Scale out or whatever it is, okay? So this is also very, very important. I didn't please mention that earlier. Just come back please, all of you people. Right. So this RDBM is unable to process. Why? What are the limitations? Simple point here. RDBMS is depending on centralized servers. I repeat the point once again. RDBMS is depending on this RDBMS here. This RDBMS is depending on what? Centralized servers. So when data is growing, automatically you have to increase the RAM capacity. You have to increase the server capacity. I mean to say hardware capacity. I mean to say hard disk capacity. Everything you have to increase. You know what is that called up? That is called up what? Vertical scaling. That is called up what? Vertical scale. Right. Just try to understand. I'll give you the clarification here. Yes, come on. The point is very simple. Okay. RDBMS. What is that? What? Limitations like that. Okay. What are the RDBMS limitations? Anybody asking? Number one is what? What is that? Vertical, okay? Vertical scale up. Vertical scale up. Everybody knows that one. What is the vertical scale-up? Vertical scale-up means what? Like vertically it is increasing. Vertical increasing means what? System is increasing. Single system, more power is increasing. More RAM is increasing. More hard disk is increasing. More processor capability is increasing. That is what vertical scale-up. Yes, you may be telling that one, but so what? Vertical scale-up is what is the problem? No, yeah. The problem, you know, all of a sudden, okay, just come on. Here I'm just coming down. Please try to understand, okay, I'm just closing this one here. I'm just closing this, going to the new one, right? Yes, yes, I just close this. Oh, don't save and coming back. See, whenever vertical scaling like this, please come on, vertical scaling, increasing the size. Whenever vertical scaling, increasing the hard disk, like that, all of a sudden, this system got failure. What happened? All of a sudden, just a moment here. Okay, fine. So people wants recording, right, not a problem. Right, see, this is vertical scaling. Vertical scaling drawback is what? Whenever vertical scaling means what? Vertically it is increasing. Vertically in the sense what? From earth to sky, towards sky, it is growing. What is the meaning of that one? More power is increasing. Okay, more power is increasing. More hard disk is increasing. I'm going to say that one word, hard disk, power increasing, everything. All of a sudden, the same system got trouble. I mean to say that in what? It is dead. Okay, it shut down. The system down. What happened? Everything gone. Everything gone. Okay. So anybody wants vertical scale-up, horizontal scale-up example? I try to tell you. Look at that one. See, actually, I'm taking the example of what gymnasium. I mean to say that what weightlifting. Okay. See, imagine that one. Imagine. This is one kind of weightlifting here, right, like this, okay, fine. See here, there is one kind of weightlifting, and here is a person trying to what, okay, hold like this and trying to hold and just what, just lifting the weight. So if it is 100 kgs, right, if it is 100 kgs, then this fellow is increasing, not a problem, I mean lifting. Imagine if the size is increasing what, 200, what is that? This fellow wants more power. Okay, 200 kg, okay, I'm increasing the weight capacity to 200 kg. Definitely here, this fellow what? Wants more power, am I right? This fellow wants more power. If at all I'm increasing 500 kgs, okay, the weightlifting is 500 kgs. Here also what is it in what? Yes, I need more power person, right? I need more power person like this, right? Fine, good. If the 500 kg, that person lifting, no problem. If not lifting, what happened? If not lifting and this weight lifting, this weight, whatever the weights, fell down on the face of the weightlifter, what happened? Automatically, that fellow goes to hospital. Then what happened? Total show shut down. Total show shut down. Because India side, the total show shut down. That's wing is towards it. That's what single system vertical scale-up is always a problem, right? Vertical scale-up example, understood or not? Please respond. If you understood, please respond in the chat box. I request you. Vertical scale-up, did you understand, please? Okay, fine, thank you. See, next, what about that one? The next one is what? Horizontal scale-up. What is the horizontal scale-up? Yes, I give you clarity here itself. Just try to understand. Look at that. Yes, in the horizontal scale-up like this. This is what? One type of weightlifting and like this. Okay, here is what? Okay, now this fellow, of course, it is 500 kgs, no problem. It is what? 500 kgs. It is 500 kgs, right? Now, this is a normal person here, not at all that much of a power person. It is a normal person, and here is what? Normal person, right? And here is what? Normal person, nothing but what? Horizontal scaling, okay? That means what? More systems are included, not single system, more system, normal systems, not high power systems, normal systems. All these people are what? Normal people, not that much of fat, normal people, okay? Right. This is what is that one what? Once again, like what? Another person, like that, like that. So many people trying to hold like this and they want to lift this weightlifting, right? Now what happened? All people trying happily this 500 kgs can able to lift. Unfortunately, right, what happened? This person is unable to lift or otherwise any problem, then what? The remaining people can able to, these people and then what? These people, okay? The remaining people can able to share that one. That is called as what? Fault tolerance. That is called as what? Fault tolerance. Fault tolerance means what? All of a sudden any system is unable to handle, the remaining systems can able to share that one. That's all, as simple as that. Clear? Yes, yes, okay, fine. My point is understand. Clear, everybody? Okay, fine here. Chalo. So everybody got the clarity on what is the difference between vertical scale-up and horizontal scale-up? Yes? Rdbms supporting vertical scale-up, whereas Hadoop supporting horizontal scale-up. That's the reason more number of systems are included in the cluster. That's a more advantage. Yes, shall I continue? Clear? Yes, okay, fine. No, actually my sessions are interacting here. Interactive sessions, please. Please respond. Keep on responding, no problem at all. So that an interaction will be maintaining between the faculty and the student always better. The class will be going in a smooth way. That's the reason I'm asking you a number of times, understood. So please respond, right? Don't feel bad. Okay, fine. See, we are talking about what is that Rdbms limitations. Also, because of these Rdbms limitations, it is unable to process, right? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, data loading techniques are there. I'll just stop that one. Don't worry about it. Don't worry, okay? So data loading techniques, like in what way? So I just give you the clarification, don't worry about it, I'll give the clarification, right? See, after completion of that, like why the big data coming to picture? So to process the structured, unstructured and what, semi-structured, we need a separate software. Definitely cover, Mr. Ajit Singh or some other one. Rajel. And yes, what was that? Okay, fine, it's covering here, don't worry about it, okay? I'll cover each and every one, don't worry. Just listen, right? So, the point is very simple. What is that? Any type of data I want to handle, then the Google or the other people like what Yahoo or some other people introduced, okay, a new framework, I'm going to say, Apache people like introduced a new concept or new framework called as what? Hadoop. Please don't forget that one. Okay, see, the point is very simple here. The concept is data, big data. So, simple point, very simple point. What is that one? Big data is used to refer, number one is what? A high volume, number two, a velocity, number three, variety. These are the characteristics of a big data. Like every data is not a big data. Characteristics of a big data is what? Like mostly 3 V's or 4 V's are there. Variety, veracity, volume, velocity, like that. So anyhow, whatever it is, like not a problem. No, people are asking keep on questions. Yeah, Mr. like Anjesh, something like what? See, data loading techniques is what? Like HBase, Hive, and then what? Pig. Okay, just wait with some time. Like I just give you the clarification, don't worry about it. So, anyhow, whatever it is, just what? Coming to the next step, that is what? Big data itself, whatever it is, just come up. See, that is what? Vertical scale. So after completion of this, okay, I have to go for what? Big data, right? Big data and what is that one? What? Hadoop. What is the difference between big data and Hadoop? Simple point is what? Hadoop is a software. Hadoop is a software framework in order to process the big data. Don't forget that one. Hadoop software introduced by Apache Software Foundation in order to process what? Big data. Clear? I repeat the point. Hadoop is a software in order to process big data. Okay. And the next one is what? What are the characteristics of a big data? Okay, right. I'm just talking about what is it mean? What characteristics, right? Characteristics of a big data. Please try to understand the point. The first one is, what is that one? Okay, volume, right? Volume. Number two is what? Like velocity. Okay. Number two is what? Velocity. Number three is, what is that? Okay. Next, variety, like this. Major is what? These are the three characters: high volume, high speed, different type of data. So like that, it's keep on going. Okay, that is characteristics. I just wanted to give you some kind of what introduction here itself, like this. Okay. See, try to find out here. Just observe this one. Yeah, this one. I just wanted to give you. Just try to understand. A volume. Okay. See, a volume, velocity, a variety, and then what? Veracity. These are what? Okay. Volume means what? High amount of data. Variety means what? Different types of data. Velocity means what? Speed. High speed. That is what? Every second data will be increasing. Okay. Veracity means what? The value. Nothing but what? The what is that one? What? Whether the data is correct or wrong. That is what? Okay. So identification, otherwise what? The proper one is checking there itself. That is what? Veracity. So that please, these four are satisfied that every data is called as what? Big data. As simple as that. Next one is try to find out here. I just wanted to go for like see. So this one is what? Simple, concentrate here. A picture in this case I'm talking about. Try to understand that. See, this is the total Hadoop ecosystem. This is the total Hadoop ecosystem. Actually, Hadoop 1.x core components are what? HDFS and MR. That is what? MapReduce. These two, I'm talking about what? These two, like what? Hadoop MapReduce and then what? Hadoop distributed file system. These two are called as what? Core components. Remaining all these are what? Remaining all these are ecosystem tools. Okay, like Scoop and Storm as well as what? Okay, Mahawk is a machine language. Pig, okay, Hive, Spark, Uzi, it's a data flow or workflow. Okay, HBase. See, all these are what? Part of, I mean, one more is there what? Instead of Hadoop MR, there is what? ARM, nothing but what? At another resource navigator. See, these are what? These are what? Like ecosystem tools. So in our session, we are concentrating on how to load the data into the Hadoop itself. Like what? Either Rdbms data or otherwise what? A Flume is there, okay? Either Storm or otherwise what? Flume. Flume is here, boss. Just watch that one. The Flume is here. Either Flume data by using that one or otherwise by using like Ubuntu, what is that one? Terminal. Ubuntu, like what is that? Terminal itself, I can enter the data. I can give the commands. So like that we can able to concentrate. Okay, a pig scripting Hive queries using, okay, we are not generally going for, we are not at all going for data loading techniques. Please, I remind you all of you people, pig or Hive, please observe here what? Pig or Hive is used for what? Analysis purpose or some other purpose. Okay, it's a data warehousing type. Please do not think of that one. They are used for data loading. Like what? It's okay, but see, using scripting or some other one. But straight away, anybody asking, what are the data loading techniques? You can say that one straight away. By default, 3. Number 1, scoop. Number 2, flume. Number 3, what? By using the Ubuntu terminal, whatever it is, like virtual VMware or otherwise VirtualBox. Generally using these 3, I can load. So the data into what? Hadoop itself. Okay. So I recommend you people like scoop. What is the scoop? What is the purpose of the scoop? Suppose you have, I remind you please, you have, what is that one? Like Rdbms. You have the Rdbms like MySQL or otherwise what? Oracle or DB2, whatever it is. By using that one, yes, I'll show you the documents here, please. I have that. Try to understand that one. Yeah. Please watch that one, all of you. Watch this. So administration purpose, we can go for what? Zookeeper, file system. You know that one, Google file system or HDFS. Map reduce, key value stores. Just idea purpose I'm giving you. Okay. So analytic purpose, look at that one. See, this is what? HDFS is here. Okay. Yeah, just have a look at this one here, please. See. So now watch that one, please, everybody. Yeah, I'll share that one here. Don't worry, don't worry. Please contact the people like where you registered. Mr. Anjesh or Anjay? Well, I don't know that one, but their name actually. Anjay, yes, yes, okay, fine. Yeah, Mr. Anjay, like I'll share the document, like you can contact the people, like where, from where you people registered. Please, I mean, they will give you the recording also, don't worry about it, okay? But I recommend you, what are the data loading techniques or some other one, please observe everywhere, right? Just getting them, please watch here. Data loading techniques and analysis. That is data analysis purpose, I can use Hive and I can use Pig. Please, I recommend you do not feel loading purpose we are using Pig or Hive. Those are meant for some other purpose, but not by default. Okay, fine. So, just a minute here. Okay, next. Here is what come down. Let's check it out. Here itself, check it out. Look at this one. Data loading purpose. I can use either internet using Flume or using copy commands as well as what? Scoop. Generally, these three are going for what is that? Data loading techniques. Okay, everybody knows that one. What is the copy command or otherwise using terminal? That is what? A put command, copy from local, like that, we can go for. Yes, this scoop is used for what? Rdbms. Okay, I'll give one more document also. Don't worry about it. Please watch here. Please watch. Flume, what is the way to interact with this? Just observe here. Look at that. See, Flume is a distributed, right? Okay, try to understand the point. A Flume is a distributed, reliable, and available service for efficient. Something is there. See, what is that one? There is a streaming API is there. From streaming API to source, and then what? It is coming to memory channels. And here is what? Into the HDFS, that is called as what? Sync. Okay, there is particular buffer type is there, which is called as what? HDFS sync. From that sync, it is going to what? HDFS. Generally, Twitter data. Okay. Recently, in the Andhra Pradesh or otherwise Telangana, some of the problem has been found out. Okay, some of the problem has been found out that the US people, like the students going to US because of what? The Twitter resource only. Yeah, that's a practical example. Like Twitter and Facebook, the students what doing in the US after completion of the studies or some other one. That's different story. But because of this Hadoop or Flume, that was identified. Okay, this is one type of data loading into HDFS. Okay, this is a Flume. Okay, right. Just a moment. Here once again I'm just going for what? SQL, scoop using. Okay, that is very simple. Rdbms to what? Hadoop. Hadoop to SQL or SQL to Hadoop. Okay. And when you are talking about the scoop, you are talking about SQL, that is what? Structured query language, so that directly you can store that one, either import or export, whatever it is. Finally, I'll give you the one picture here. Watch this one, everybody. This is important. I'm waiting for this one. Look at that. Look at that, all of you people. Please watch that here itself. Okay. See, try to find out this one. I'm sorry here. Yeah, come on. Look at that. See. I hope so. You people got it. See, it is workflow and data warehousing system. That is what Hive, Pig Latin data analysis. And don't forget here, most of the people getting the confusion. What is the difference between Pig and Pig Latin? That's very simple. Pig is the main name, which in which the programming language is what? Pig Latin. What is the meaning of pig? Why the name has given pig? As pig is eating anything, yes, as everybody knows that one, pig can able to eat anything. In the same way, this software also can able to take any data that is a representation of the pig. Please don't think otherwise. What is the representation of the pig symbol? Pig, I mean to say animal symbol here. Just like a pig, pig how eating everything in the same way. My software also eating anything, any type of format, so that I can mention pig. So pig is containing Pig Latin and then what, as well as what, runtime environment, just like JVM. So in the Pig Latin, you can write the script. That is what data analysis purpose. Of course, MapReduce framework is already there. Like HBase is there, okay, which is the database itself. And then what? Okay, try to find out here. Next one is what is that one? ARM and then HDFS. Hadoop distributed file system. So here is a Flume as well as what? Scoop. I recommend you people 3 points. What is that one? Flume, Scoop as well as what? The basic commands. Okay. Yeah, fine. Like, see, we'll go for any type of topic, not at all a problem, but more concentrating on this one, like unstructured data, semi-structured data. You can go for what? Flume. Don't forget that one yet. Structured data, nothing but Rdbms, nothing but SQL supporting. You can go for what? Scoop. Okay, fine. So the next step is what? What is that one? How to load that data using what is that, like the commands or some other one. Okay, and in the meantime, I want to go for what? MapReduce framework as well as what? HDFS. How it is processing that one? HDFS is processing in what way? I give you one small kind of picture here. I have that one. Okay. Try to understand here itself, boss. Please watch that one. Yeah, please watch here, everybody. Yes, this is the way your MapReduce is working together. Please watch that. Simple picture. There is no confusion at all. This is input in the MapReduce. As if you want, I have a program also. Don't worry about it. I'll show you. But it needs Java program. As simple as that. So what happened here? That MapReduce is processing like this. First of all, you are giving HDFS. That HDFS data is processed by what? MapReduce. Okay, you can put the data into HDFS and HDFS to what? MR. That is what MapReduce. As simple as that. First of all, here is what? Look at that. Welcome to Hadoop. Class Hadoop is, okay, and then what? Good Hadoop is, like that, something, whatever the text is. First, what happens? This is divided into splits. Okay, the entire file will be splitting together. Welcome to Hadoop is one split, 64 MB or otherwise what? 128 MB. From Hadoop 2.0 itself, that is what 128 MB. It is what? Equal blocks that is dividing into. So then what? Class Hadoop, that third line. I mean second line, class Hadoop is. Next one what? Good Hadoop is. Maybe that's third line, and then what? Bad. There are 4 blocks are created. There are 4 blocks are created. That is input split. Whenever the input split is completed, we'll go for what? Mapping. What mapping? Key and value. Okay, K1 and V1, nothing but what? Key and value. Welcome, first time coming, key comma value. See, I remind you, welcome word coming first time. Welcome comma 1. Like this MR is doing. Please don't confuse. First of all, in the MR, I'll show you the program also, don't worry about it. First mapping, then what? Reducing. Okay, first welcome first time to first time, Hadoop first time. Like that it is mapped. There is an algorithm is there. That algorithm is taken care by Hadoop framework, or otherwise what? MapReduce. And second one is what? Class. First time coming, Hadoop first time coming, and is first in this one, in this block. Not compare that one, in this block. And the third block is what? Good. Hadoop is. Once again what? Good. First time coming. Hadoop. First time coming. Is. First time coming. Second one is what? I mean last block is what? Bad. That is what? First time. These like this the mapping is done. If you have Java knowledge, it's quite simple to understand here. Frankly speaking, that's a matter of 15 to 1 month sessions. That's all. If you know Java. If you don't know Java, you have to do hard work, nothing else. The first step is completed, that is what? Mapping. So what is that one? When you give input file, first it is divided into splits, equal splits, and then going for what? Mapping. After mapping, what is that one? What? Shuffling. What shuffling? Yes, because of then what? Bad 1, class 1, good 1, Hadoop 1. Like same one is combining together. Whatever the words are there, like what? Bad, 1 time coming, class 1 time coming, good 1 time coming. And from here what? Yes, Hadoop, here is Hadoop, here is Hadoop. So all the 3 are coming here, boss. Please observe. Like that it's shuffling. Please observe that one. This is mapping, first time mapping, and shuffling. Shuffling for what? All related items are combining together. That is shuffling. Please observe that one. Please concentrate this Hadoop. All related names are combining together. What is the reducer? This Hadoop is coming how many times? 3 times. This Hadoop is coming how many times? 3 times. Is how many times coming? 2 times coming. That is what? Reducing time. So MR will be done in the 3 stages. First of all what? Mapping. Second one is shuffling. Third one is what? Reducing. Right? So final output is what? See, from the bad 1 is taking, class 1, good 1, Hadoop 3, is 2, and then what? Like this is the final output. Okay. So to understand this, To understand this, I'll give you a real-time scenario. Try to understand that. Try to understand. See, actually speaking that, like everybody knows Mukesh Ambani, a Reliance, like what, Emperor. That Mukesh Ambani having so many business, like Reliance Fresh, okay, Reliance Jewelry, Reliance Footprint, like that, so many business are there. So the Mukesh Ambani wants to know throughout the India wide which branch is getting more profit or more business like that, and which type of vegetables are growing. I mean, every day which type of vegetables are going, and to the Reliance Fresh, like what is that, like mid-age people coming or otherwise engaged people coming, that type of analysis he wants. Then what happens? As input file that is given. Input file in the sense what? All the log files across the India level, from all branches, the input files are coming, because everybody knows that one. Hadoop is containing what? Large data sets, large, like the terabytes of data. I recommend you listen carefully. Mukesh Ambani wants to know across the India wide, what is the age people visiting Reliance Fresh? That at what time? I remind you once again, Mukesh Ambani wants to know what type of or what age people visiting Reliance Fresh frequently. That too at what time? Like that, across the India level, the entire input is given. Please observe that one. After giving, it is divided into splits, right? Maybe what is that, what city wise or otherwise what branch wise, whatever it is, that entire one is log file is what split it, right? Then what happens? One by one coming, like welcome. In the same way, its mapping is done. Okay, what type of mapping is done? The mapping is very simple, like what, a city or otherwise branch, like that. The age factor is coming outside. Next one is what? Shuffling. From all the branches across the country, combining together. Like what? Okay. So imagine that one, I'm in Hyderabad, or otherwise I'm in just some other location. Like what? Hyderabad. From Hyderabad, what type of people? From Chennai, what type of people? From Bangalore, what type of people? Like this, all these are combining. So here is what? Chennai people, Bangalore people, and Hyderabad people, and then what? I'm going to say the Bhubaneswar people, like that. All these are combined. Finally, what type of output is coming in the reducing? All these are combining, and then what? Okay, fine. So in the morning time, what is that? Like morning time, maybe 30 to 35 age people coming regularly. So that is a final output coming. So now Mukesh Ambani is understanding what? Okay. In this time, okay, this age people is coming frequently. Like that, he is getting idea. For that purpose, we are using the Hadoop. Don't feel that one. Hadoop is not for some other one. Hadoop is only for analysis, that's all. For business requirements as well as what? Business decisions can be taken, not something else. Anybody is getting confusion, please, I recommend you, do not confuse. Boss, Hadoop is not for some other one. No update, no delete, no select, not like that. Okay, it is not for ACID operations, atomicity, okay, consistency, isolation, durability, not for that. It is only for what? Analysis purpose. So you cannot expect the response in a frequently stages, because it takes time, like what? Large data sets. This is what MR program, and here is what, here I have that. Please try to find out, open that one. Yes, this is the program here. Everybody please try to understand. This is the program, just check it out. Okay, try to find out that one, what? Okay, exception like this, and then what? See, watch that one. Some kind of what? Okay, as simple as that. Please watch. This type of program is going. See, this is MR program, which is written in Java. All these are what? Import statements. Please consider that one. All these are import statements, as simple as that. Okay, please watch that one. Yeah, tell me, Chetan, what's the problem? Chetan, can you hear me? Yeah, fine, leave it. Just come on. See, these are the import statements, and after completion of the import statements like this, the program is ready. Okay. So in the same way, this is what mapper. It's a mapper. It's a mapping process. Okay. See, if you want to understand, I'll decrease the font size so that you may be understanding very easily, right? Just look at that one. See, mapper extends right away. So once this is over, look at that. Okay. This is simple. This is what util package available in Java. In Java, util package available and what? It is exception handling. And then what has more tokens? Definitely the string tokenizer method. After completion of this, look at that one. Like that it is writing. What is that one? What? The word and as well as what? One. First time coming. Like that. And end of map method. That is what? Map method is completed. And we are going for what? Reducer. Okay. Like this the program is going. Whenever the program is completed, finally it is going for what? Like this. Finally is what? Completion of this one. Set mapper class, set combiner class, set reducer class. Like here is what? Shuffling. Combiner class is nothing but what here? Shuffling itself. As simple as that. Right? Okay. See, this just idea purpose only. This webinar is only for what? Idea purpose. As simple as that. If you want more clarity on that, we'll go for what? Each and every class. Okay. And apart from that, I want to show you once again like this. Please watch that one. Please watch this document. See. Just watch here, please. This is what Hadoop command system. I'm just going for, and this is the command, please. Using this command, we can able to. Okay. So try to find out what using this command Hadoop fs. Copy from local and what? URI. See, by using these commands, I can able to specify, right? So look at that one. So try to find out. This is the example I can go for. Check the data in the local file like this. Yes, ls means what? Listed. The file is available or not? Yes, the file is available. So now the copy is file to HDFS like this. What is that one? Hadoop FS. Hadoop and FS is indication of what? HDFS. And then what? This is the hyphen and this word option. What is that? Copy from local. Okay, copy from local. What is that one? Sales. And there is a space here, but there is a space and this is the one. This is a source and then what? It is target. Okay. Do not forget like the copy from local as well as what? Put also same purpose. Okay. So please observe that one. See here itself what? There is what Hadoop FS and what can. Nothing but concatenation and display that one. Automatically. This is the command here. This is the command we are going for what? First of all Hadoop and then what? FS. Okay, that is our HDFS. And then option. Option is what? Copy from local. Right? Copy from local and then what is that? What? Sales. That is what? File you want to copy and this is what? Target. Where to want to copy? Where you want to copy here is what like that. Okay. So there is a syntax is given here. Just watch that one. This is the syntax. Look at that. Okay. URI. Nothing but HDFS. But when you come to put command like this here, please watch that one. When you come to put command, this is the syntax. Please watch that one. If it is a single file, then what? HDFS put local file and then what? This is the directory you have to mention. This is the see. Generally put command is used for one directory to another directory of local system, not particularly HDFS purpose. Put command. Just don't forget that one. Here itself what? Local file as well as what? Another local directory like this. Okay, generally used for copy from local, it is what? HDFS itself. That's the reason even syntax also mentioning that one. It is URI purpose. Look at that. Please try to specify. Here is what URI is there. Understand this one. Please concentrate that. It's URI. Okay. So the next one is very simple. That is what a put command is using like this class. That is what single file. If you want multiple files, that's okay. That is what HDFS Hadoop FS, and then what put local file 1, local file 2, and then what the other directory itself. Okay. Of course, copy from local, put command also, both are doing same thing, no problem at all. But generally in the industry, what the people are doing, copy from local is nothing but from local system to URI, nothing but what HDFS. But put command is what interaction between two local directories, two local directories like that. The first one is what single file, and the second one is what multiple files like that. Okay. When it is okay, then what I can go for what read input file name from what standard input device. Like this also it is possible here. Please watch that one. Please try to watch that. Hadoop FS put it, and then what this is the HDFS. Try to understand that one. If you want, you can go further. I mean, the name also you can give from the command line argument. Yes, from STD means what? Standard input device, nothing but keyboard. From the keyboard also you can give this name. So that what happens, whatever the file name, you can mention that one, your wish. Okay, here you have to mention the file name, and then what, where to go. Automatically it is going. This one, this dash. Here itself you can mention the file name, please. Here itself you can mention the file name automatically. Okay, this is what copy from local, nothing but data loading to the HDFS. Clear? Yeah, what type of real-time example you need, Sonasi, please? For what concept? For what concept you want? Okay, chalo. See, right. Finally, I just wanted to conclude. Just try to understand here. Look at that one. See, that is what are the objectives here? What first of all, introduction to big data. Second one, what challenges of big data? Challenge of big data is very simple. That is what like short time the data can be processed and retrieving in a simple step, low latency, fault tolerant like that. And introduction to Hadoop. Hadoop is what? It's a framework given by developed by Apache software. Okay, Apache people developed the Hadoop. Even Java Tomcat also they developed that one. Okay, next Hadoop characteristics and HDFS. What are the Hadoop characteristics? Hadoop characteristics what are flexible, economical, reliable, like then only the HDFS got the familiarity. And HDFS. In the HDFS itself, I can able to what? Store the data. Okay. And process it through the data, process it through what? MR, map reduce. HDFS giving the data to MR will be doing that one. So we are not touching the topic of what MR here because job tracker coming, I mean, so the, what is that one? HDFS what? Job tracker as well as what? Data node, namespace, okay, secondary name node, all these are coming. That's what HDFS is. Finally, what is that one? What the main intention of our session is what? Data loading techniques. How to load the data like that. So here itself what happened like this one. It's challenge. Huge amount of data. Okay, that's what we have to go for. And who is generating big data? That is what everybody knows that one. Social media generating that, mobile devices like that. Finally, what structured and unstructured data? Definitely unstructured data will be increasing, no doubt about it, in the future. So introduction to Hadoop. What is Hadoop like that? And then what? Why Hadoop? Okay. So Hadoop platform is designed to address big data problems due to size of data, variety of data, as well as data. Don't forget here, Hadoop is a platform. That is what? Platform two types. Number one, software platform. Number two, hardware platform. Hadoop is a software platform, whereas operating system is what? Hardware platform. Don't forget that one. Platform two types. Okay. And the next one is what? You know that one what? Scalable, economical, flexible. These are the features. And finally, yes, as I given that one, it's coming there. What? Like what? Apache workflow. And here you concentrate. In this one, you concentrate, please. plume and scoop like that. Okay. So next one is what, like the HDFS and MapReduce right now. Hadoop has two main components. Number one, HDFS. See, that is what MapReduce as well as what job tracker and task tracker. Job tracker is what doing, just controlling the jobs. Task is what? Each and every task is whether performing or not, the task tracker is doing that one. Okay, of course, data node as well as what? Name node. So data nodes are so many, name node is what? Only one. But all these are what working there. See, each and every is a thread. Each and every process is a thread. That's what, whenever you start the HDFS or Hadoop, you can type JPS. That's what? Java processes. Then automatically all data nodes are met. I mean, all the threads are what? Activated. Okay, because of the time factor, I'm unable to show you everything. But once go for the classes, each and every point can able to explain. Don't worry about it. Okay, see, HDFS architecture like that. Everybody knows that one. The client is giving the metadata, I mean, information to input file that is giving, and then what happens? That first of all, what coming to name node, and name node to what is it? Metadata will be stored there in the name node. What name node? The name node is the server system where it is controlling the entire data nodes. That is what. So rack 1 is one cluster as well as what? Rack 2 is another cluster. Okay. So what happened? The client is entering the data as well as what? Here is what. And moreover, data is available in the replication factor, as simple as that. Okay. It is available in what factor? Replication factor. That means same data is available in the multiple systems. Huge data wanted, no doubt. Same data is available in multiple systems, so that what happens? Like any system problem, the next system can able to handle that, share the required. Okay. So next one is what? Here it itself is given, like what? Scoop, data loading, and some other one. As simple as that, we discussed like right now. That's what. Okay. So like this, we can go for what? Copy put and as well as what? Okay. So that is what distributed copy. That is, you can go for how to distribute copy like this. Okay. In the same way, that is what immediately it can able to like you can able to check out. LS means what? List of the files. Whether the files are copied or not, you can go for that one. This is executed in the Ubuntu itself. Like check out that. Okay. Fine. This is what we are not going for. What is that? High-1 HBase. That's a very rare cases. High-1 HBase using data loading techniques into the HDFS. That is what Hive is what for? That is data warehousing. Data warehousing is what for? Presentation purpose. Okay, presentation purpose data is what? That is the final data. Okay, but naturally not doing. If you want, you can go for in a specific reasons. Okay. Fine here. So can anybody please talk to me? Or anybody wanted so anybody wanted like the soft copy or some other one? I'll share to the people, just you can collect from them please. Okay, maybe tomorrow I'll be sharing that. No, HBase is what? Just only storing purpose, Mr. Sandhi. So just what? It's a like some kind of what? I mean, it's just like Rdbms type. HBase is. Just a moment. HBase is what? HBase is any. It's a Rdbms type. That Rdbms can able to store what? Only structured data. But whereas HBase can able to store any type of data. Your unstructured, structured, any type can able to store that one, right? Yeah, please just show practicals. Right now, I think so it's not possible here. No, practicals in the sense what I will be showing you that one, the commands itself. See, like I have to load that, see in the webinar, like what is that? Practicals will show you that one. It's not a big deal. That is, so Ubuntu itself or VirtualBox, you can load it and type the command. See, that's not a big deal, Mr. Anji. Don't feel that one is very trouble. It's very simple. If it is problem, definitely I'll help you. Don't worry about it. Please ask the people and communicate with them. 100% is understood. Or I will send you the soft copy itself. How to install the Hadoop also. Don't worry about it. Tomorrow you can contact with them and they will share you. Yeah, everybody, don't worry about it. Whatever the topics I discussed, see, already I trained not less than 2.5 lakh people. You don't know that one. Like, I'll share my information here itself. Please wait a moment. Just a moment, here. Just a moment. All of you people, please do not confuse. I'm just giving you such a way. Yeah. Look at that. See. So my information is coming here. Please watch that one. Anybody wants, please go through like that. See, I'm ready Java, not me. Like my students are loaded all these things. So you can go for that one. Like my Facebook is there. You can go for that one. You can go and check out that. Who is Ram Reddy and some other one. Yeah, you can check out my cover page. Please understand like this. Yes, recently that was conducted in the June, and most probably on the Saturday itself also I'm just going to conduct one kind of seminar. So that's what, because of this one, like I'm just panel member of the Government of India. Okay. Such kind of pictures, so many are here in my Facebook. You can go and check out that one, please. Okay. Just chill. I'm sorry. Leave it. Okay. Fine. So I just close the webinar. Like if at all any doubts, please contact the people. So thank you everybody. Mr. Brajesh, you there? Shall I close the session, please? Yeah, definitely. Whatever the soft copy you want, tomorrow 100% I'll share that one, because right now in Hyderabad, India, right, it's around 10 o'clock, so that I'm unable to share right now. Tomorrow morning, 100% I can be able to share, and you can take the data from there itself. Don't worry about it. If you want to join the classes, entire one is giving you like what everything, because already I trained not less than 2.5 lakh people. Yeah, I just trying to. I'm not a pressure to teach you, because people calling me as Java Guru, so that no problem at all. Java technology as well as like Hadoop technology, everything. Even you want Java, don't worry. You don't know programming language, don't worry. Give me 1 week time. 100% you can able to write the Java program. Please don't worry about it. Okay. So we created one kind of history in Java itself. You can check out my Facebook images and everything. Definitely, who are the students and what are the reviews, everything you can be able to understand. Chalo, thank you all of you people. Like some thanks to that Kratoes giving me this opportunity. So thank you, Brajesh, please. What projects here? Like what kind of projects you want, Chetan, please? No, what projects will be there? Chetan, you are asking like that. What kind of projects you want? You want on big data or some other one? Please, please type fast here, please. Yeah, actually in India it's going to start, because Indian government already allotted 2,500 crores to analyze this one, and moreover Moreover, healthcare industry as well as what the railway system wants to implement the big data for analyzing requirement of the passengers like that. Okay. Sure. Immediately you want, Mr. Anji? Immediately you want all URLs, or shall I share you separate document? I mean, I'll give it to this Kratoes people. You can take from there. So immediately is not possible for me because I don't know your mail IDs or some other one. No. Right now I don't have your mail IDs. Please contact them. Please contact them. Then they can share you. But tomorrow it will be possible. I'll do that one. By tomorrow evening, IST, Indian Standard Time. Tomorrow it will be possible. Sure, yeah, Chetan, 100% will do that one, don't worry. Because like we want your support, why don't you share that one? Definitely we'll share everybody, don't worry about it. We want your support, and our Kratoes wants to develop more and more. Like our team will be very much interesting. Okay. Please share your email ID. Not possible here, Anji. I'm sorry, like it's against to the rules. I'm sorry for that. So even phone number also I'm unable to share, even mail ID. Please contact those people. I'm really sorry for that one. It's my humble request, contact them. They will contact you. Yeah, fine here. Shall I leave? Thanks for all of you people just listening my class. Okay, what is your final report? Is it okay? I need your feedback, like is it okay? Because in 1.5 hour time, I cannot able to explain each and every point. Because just it's one kind of webinar idea purpose, like how the faculty is discussing. If you want further classes, just you can come to regular classes, just give me 30 days time, we'll finish that one, and you can go for what? Hadoop train, Hadoop professional, and I make you people what? Java also, don't worry about it. I'll just talk to them, those people, Kratoes people, and just talk to you, and finally. Chetan, I understood that one. I understood. You joined just 10 minutes before. I understood, but I can't do anything because recording is there. You can take that one. Okay? Chetan, clear? Yeah, you can take that one. So, shall I go, please? Shall I leave? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Brajesh.